In the golden age of motorsport, where speed and elegance danced a delicate tango, a legend emerged. A car that wasn't just a machine, but a rolling sculpture, a testament to human ambition, and a symbol of automotive excellence, the Bugatti Type 57C. The Type 57C, born from the vision of Ettore Bugatti, wasn't merely an engineering marvel, it was a rolling piece of art. Its aerodynamic design, crafted from lightweight materials, whispered promises of speed and agility. This wasn't just a car for the racetrack. It was a car for the discerning driver, someone who craved both performance and sophistication. The Type 57C could conquer mountain passes with exhilarating speed and cruise down boulevards with effortless grace. Inside the opulent cabin, every detail was meticulously designed to provide comfort and a sense of occasion. From the ergonomic driving position to the exquisite materials, the Type 57C offered a driving experience unlike any other. The Type 57C wasn't just a car, it was a status symbol. Owning one meant belonging to an exclusive club of connoisseurs and enthusiasts who appreciated the finer things in life. Though its racing days are behind it, the Type 57C's legacy endures. It has transcended the realm of automobiles, becoming a cultural icon, a timeless symbol of automotive passion and artistry. Even today, the Type 57C continues to captivate. Its timeless design, legendary performance, and enduring spirit solidify its place not just in automotive history, but in the hearts of car enthusiasts forever.